Hey everyone, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to archive and unarchive a post on Instagram. As you know that Instagram is a great platform to share your movement and connect with others. In this video, I will guide you step by step process how you can archive and unarchive a post on Instagram. So let's jump to the video. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in. Then at down you can see your profile icon. Click on that. Then you can see your page, profile page. In that select one post which you want to archive. I will archive this post. Then after that you can see the three dot option at the top right corner. Click on that option. Now in that you can see the archive option. Tap on that. Now that video is archived and that one only you can see. No anyone can see that. If you want for unarchive, then again click on profile icon at down. Click on that. Now you can see the three horizontal line at the top right corner option. Click on that. Now you can see the archive option here. Tap on that option. Now you can see the video which you archived from that post. Now select that post one, select one, and again you can see the three dot option. Click on that option. Now you can see two options are there. One is delete and one is show on profile. If you want to delete, you can delete from here permanently, but if you want to show it again on profile, then click on show on profile option. Tap on that. Again tap on show on profile. Now everyone can see your profile, that what you and archive your video, it will come on profile. You can see that your video came here. So in this way you can archive and unarchive the post on Instagram. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.